Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to illustrate geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence of non-zero numbers where each term after the first term is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called the common ratio R. Suppose a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5 are the first 5 terms of a geometric sequence. This means a sub 1 times r equals a sub 2, a sub 2 times r equals a sub 3, a sub 3 times r equals a sub 4, and a sub 4 times r equals a sub 5. In this lesson, the first thing we need to know here is finding the common ratio. So for example, what is the common ratio of the geometric sequence below? So to find the common ratio, we pick any term and divide it by its preceding term. For example, if we pick 6, so that means we divide 6 by 2. So that is equal to 3. So the common ratio is 3. Example number 2. What is the common ratio of the geometric sequence below? So 6, 12, 24, and 48. Again, we are going to pick any term here. Suppose we are going to pick 24, then divide it by its preceding term, 12. So 24 divided by 12 is 2. So the common ratio is 2. The next thing that we need to learn here is determining geometric sequence. Example number 3. Is the sequence below geometric or not? To determine if this sequence 1, 3, 9, 27, 54 is a geometric sequence or not, we are going to find the ratio between consecutive terms. Let's start off with the ratio between 3 and 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. Then 9 divided by 3 is also 3. Then 27 divided by 9 is also 3. And 54 divided by 27, that's 2. So there is no common ratio, so it's not a geometric sequence. Example number 4. Is the sequence below geometric or not? So the sequence 2, -4, 8, -16, and 32. Now to determine if this sequence is geometric or not, we are going to find the ratio between two consecutive terms. So let's start off with the ratio between -4 and 2. So -4 divided by 2 is -2. 8 divided by -4 is also -2. -16 divided by 8 is also -2. And 32 divided by -16 is also -2. So there is a common ratio, so this is a geometric sequence. Another thing that we need to know about this lesson is giving the next terms. Example number 5. Suppose the first term in a geometric sequence is 5 and the common ratio is 2. What are the next 3 terms? We start with 5, and because the common ratio is 2, we have to multiply 5 by 2 to obtain the next term. Then again, we are going to multiply this term 10 by 2 to obtain the next term, that's 20. And then again, we multiply 20 by the common ratio 2 and we get 40. So this means the next 3 terms are 10, 20, and 40. Example number 6. Give the next 3 terms of the sequence. So we have 3, 9, 27, and what are the next three terms. So first we are going to find the common ratio. So to find the common ratio again, we are going to pick any term and divide it by its preceding term. So for example, we pick 9, that's 9 divided by 3, so the common ratio is 3. So meaning to say, we multiply 27 by 3 to find the next term. So 27 times 3 equals 81, times 3 again equals 243, times 3 again, that's 729. So these are the next three terms: 81, 243, and 729. Example number 7. Give the next three terms of the sequence: -8, -16, -32. First, we are going to find the common ratio. So to find the common ratio, we pick a term and divide it by its preceding term. For example, if we pick -16, that's -16 divided by -8, and that is equal to 2. Now, to obtain the next term, we are going to multiply -32 by 2. So that's -32 times 2 is -64. Then times 2 again, that gives us -128. And times 2 again, we have -256. So these are the next three terms of the sequence: -64, -128, and -256. Now your turn. I prepared here 3 problems for you to work on. You can pause the video and work on these problems. Number 1, a sub 1 equals 5 and r equals 3, and a sub 1 equals 16 and r equals 1/2. What you will do here for items 1 and 2, you're going to give the next three terms of the geometric sequence. Now for item number 3, it's a challenge question. Give the first three terms of the sequence. A sub 4 is 9 and common ratio is -1/2. I will now show you the answer. For number 1, the three terms are 15, 45, and 135. And for number 2, the next three terms are 8, 4, and 2. And for number 3 question, a challenge question, I would like to discuss it with you. So give the first three terms of the sequence. A sub 4 is 9 and r equals -1/2. This is how we illustrate the problem. We are given the fourth term and we need to find the first, the second, and the third terms. Say starting from 9, we are going to divide it by -1/2 to obtain its preceding term. Divide 9 by -1/2, we have -18. Again, divide -18 by -1/2, we have 36. And again, 36 divided by -1/2, it gives us -72. So the first three terms are -72, 36, and -18. Did you get all the items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.